Hi, first grade friends. Today we are learning to read and spell words with a new syllable type. The syllable type is called long vowel silent E. We will start by learning the long A silent E pattern. There is only one vowel sound in the word. However, it takes two vowel letters to spell it. A single A plus the silent E. The silent E is not pronounced. Let's look at the first picture on our worksheet. That is a picture of the same stamp. Same. Please finger stretch the word same. Same. I hear three sounds. Same. But we need that silent E to make the vowel say its name. Please write the word same on the lines. Same. And remember that silent E is making the long A. Our next word is a picture of a game. Game. We have that silent E on the end that makes that A say its name. Please write game on the line below. Game. Our next picture is a picture of the date. Finger stretch date. 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 And that silent E on the end is making that vowel make its long A sound. Please write date. Date. Our next picture is a picture of a gate. Please finger stretch. Gate. Write the word in the box. Silent E makes that A say its name. Please write gate below on the line. With that silent E, gate. The next picture is skate. Skate. Silent E makes that A say its name. Please write skate on the line below. Skate. Our next picture is a picture of a plate. 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 Please write plate on the line below. And don't forget that silent E that makes that vowel say the long A sound. Our next picture is a picture of a frame. Frame. Silent E E makes that A say its name. Please write frame on the line below. Our next picture is a picture of a crane. K-R-A-N. K-R-A-N. Silent E makes that vowel say the long A sound. Please write crane on the line below. And our last picture is a picture of a plane. P-O-A-N. P-O-A-N. Please write plane on the line below. Way to go, boys and girls. Go ahead and flip it on over. All right, my friends, we're going to do text your words. You'll notice you have 10 words in your word box. Our first word is the word frame. Notice that silent E making that A say its name. Then we have shape. Silent E making that long A say its name. Cape. Rake. Ave, g-8, gate, p-o-ain, plane, sk-8, skate, t-ape, tape, k-ave, cave. The first word we're going to write is the word frame. F-R-A-M. Frame. Our first letter is an F. You'll notice the F is below the number 3. So my first code is a 3. Then we have an R. You'll notice that R is below the number 7, so the next letter in our code is 7. Then we have an A. So the next number in our code is the number 2. Our next letter in frame is an M. So our next letter in our code is a 6. And the last letter in our code is a 2, which is also a 3. So our code ends in 3. Okay, my friends, I don't suggest that you highlight. I was just highlighting to show you on the video so that you can see what's going on. Our next word would be cape. So we're going to write the word cape. K-A-P. Silent E, making that A say A. I'm going to highlight just to show you, but you don't need to highlight. Our first letter is the letter C. And you'll notice that C is below the number 2. So the first number in our code is a 2. Then we have an A in cape. That is also underneath the number 2. So the second number is a 2. Then we have the letter P, which is underneath 7. So 7 is the next letter in our code. And our last letter is that silent E, which is underneath the number 3. That'll be the last number in our code. And boys and girls, since we're working with silent E this week, you will see a pattern that the last number of every code is going to be the number 3 to represent that silent E pattern that we're working with this week. All right, you did great. Go ahead and go ahead and finish the worksheet on your own. Then turn it into the basket, move on to Lexia, and work hard to get those minutes to join us at Free Time Friday. Way to go.